Hey, Jimmy with Cuff and Stuff. Well, who says that when it gets cold outside, you can't fire the grill up? Not me. Listen, it's holiday season time, and I found some turkey wings at the grocery store, and I said, we need to do something with those. So today, we're doing grilled barbecue turkey wings. Man, these things turn out so good. Crispy skin, barbecue flavor that's perfect, despite the cold, because I'm gonna take it in and I'm gonna eat mine, okay? So we're gonna show you how to do that right in your own backyard. So hang tight. What I've got here is 6 just off the shelf turkey wings, all right? And I'm just gonna take on both sides, I'm gonna make some slits on the winglets and the drums. Helps to have a sharp knife here. All right, you see how I'm doing these? Just like that. I'm gonna do that. I want the flavor and etching that skin just a little bit. Doesn't hurt a thing. I wouldn't do my chicken wings this way, but there we go. Turkey wings. All right. I'll bring you right back. Well, I'm gonna use 2 layers of flavor. First one, Uncle Steve's, this is SPG. I'm gonna give it just a nice little sprinkle. And that's not too dry. Over the top of that, we're gonna use Bird Shake, anything poultry. Bird Shake is the stuff. It adds a nice, pretty color. And this is gonna be just right on these turkey wings. Turkey, turkey, turkey. All right. And there we go. All right. I'm gonna flip them over to the other side. But one little trick I want to show you. You see a lot of people do this before seasoning. It doesn't hurt a thing to come back. It'll keep your seasoning on there, and it's also going to help this skin. I have tried this both ways, spraying it down before and after. I'm not real sure that it doesn't help to do it after. Anyway, let's flip all these turkey wings over, do the other side exactly the same way, and when it's time to go to grill, I'll bring you back. Well, we've let these sit out while we got the fire ready, I don't know, half an hour probably, and which is okay. It's in the middle to upper 30s out here, so it's not gonna go bad. We've got our grill ready. Now, as you can see, I'm using the Vortex right here. I'm gonna put these turkey wings around the outside of this Vortex, just like this. Put them on the outside, all the way around. One way over here. There we go. All right, hope you can see that. All right, we're gonna close him up. I'm gonna cut the top down about halfway. I've got the bottom wide open. That's gonna cut us down to in the 400-degree range, okay? So we're pretty much gonna have to stay with it because these are gonna cook relatively quick, and I'm also probably gonna wanna turn them. So I'm gonna be looking for the color and also the temperature. So I'll run these up probably maybe 190, 195. So we're cooking, and when it's time, I'll bring you back. 30 minutes in, it's time to check. See what we got. Oh yeah, look at that. Getting some decent color. I'm gonna go on and flip these over. Looking good. They're not done by any means, but they're looking pretty. All right. Cover them back up. Keep on cooking. We're another half an hour in. We're holding pretty steady between 350 and 400 on here. And let's see. Oh yeah, we got color on that side. I'm gonna turn them back over. Look at this. Aren't these looking pretty? There we go. All right. This time, I want to do a little checking and see where we are temp-wise. Stay off the bone there. 165. That one's a little bit smaller. That one's about the same, I guess. Let's look at this one. Yeah, they're all, you could take them off. 165 is safe, but you know what? I don't think I want to do that. I think I'm gonna let them go just a little bit longer. Let's let them go about 15 more minutes, and I'll bring you right back. All right, we've let these run another 15 minutes or so. Let's check them, see where our temps are running. Oh yeah, isn't that pretty? That's looking pretty to me. All right, mid 180s, about the same. That's about 190. No, that's 200 right there. 194. And that's 191 right there. All right. Close enough. We about got them to the temp we need. We're going to glaze them. That's right. We're going to glaze turkey wings. All right. This is a Carolina Gold. Pretty much anywhere around the middle of the state, you're going to find this barbecue sauce. It's mustard based. It's got a little vinegar in it for a little snap, I guess you would say. And we're going to cover the top side. And never, ever, ever glaze anything barbecue with cold barbecue sauce or glaze. It just ends up glopping it on. It doesn't really do the job. But if you got it warmed up, when it goes on, look, see how that spreads out like that? And the last one. Now, we're going to let this set on these turkey wings for maybe 10 minutes or so. Then we're going to flip them over and do the other side. And then it's going to be time to try it. So when we do that, I'm going to bring you back. All right, well, here we go. Yeah, that looks pretty, like it's set pretty good. Now let's roll them over. And let's do the other side here. And the last one here, let's get him glazed up good. I know I say it all the time, but you ought to be able to smell this. Maybe one day they'll come up with something that you'd be able to do that. Wouldn't that be nice? Don't waste any of this. And there we go. All right, let's close him up. And maybe in about 10, maybe that much, we're gonna let it set on this side. About 10, we're gonna take them off. We'll take them over to the table. Okay, look at this. Is this pretty? Let's get it on that one too. Is that pretty? Oh my goodness. Turkey wings, barbecue, grilled. Oh my goodness. Hey, listen. We let these go. They're between $195 and $200. The barbecue set. There's only one thing left to do. If you were here, I'd let you try it too. That's a good turkey wing right there. Oh my goodness. It's got a little bit of smoky flavor. That grill taste, perfect. Uncle Steve shake, the two different shakes, go perfect with that barbecue sauce. Man, I don't know what to tell you, except, listen, thanks for sticking around, watching these turkey wings turn out super. If you haven't already, how about hit the circle on this side, subscribe, hit that like. Again, it's kind of like a paycheck for me. I'd appreciate it. I'll have a video just for you over here. Until next time, hang tight and be good to one another. Hang tight.